Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the SENSICA SENSILIGHT Pro beauty device. I'm so excited to be talking about this product today, but first, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe if you like lifestyle, beauty and fashion videos, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my day-to-day life and to chat over there. So I was kindly gifted this device right here. If you've never come across an IPL hair removal device, then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So that is when it uses intense pulses of light that targets the hair follicle so that hair growth becomes thinner and less often. I wouldn't say you would get complete hair loss, but my hair grows back so little now, and it used to be a chore having to shave every day, and now I shave like every other week. It's great. And my history with hair laser removal, so I used to go to a clinic, I used to go to a medi spa and get it professionally done. Now, going to get treatments in a clinic used to be very time consuming. I used to get amazing results, there's no doubt about that, but it was every 6 weeks, and you would obviously have to go and travel into London. So if you live quite rurally, then having to travel to a clinic to get your hair laser procedure done used to be a chore. And now with the pandemic, we are still very much in it, especially in the UK. I'm just opting more for doing my beauty treatments at home, you know, giving myself a facial, a pedicure, doing my own nails. So now I'll be able to do my own hair removal. So this is going to be kind of like an unboxing and first impressions video, and then I'm going to show you some clips of me actually demoing it and showing you how it works. But what really interested me is that they are classifying this as a permanent body and facial hair reduction, but they are also classifying this as a RPL, a reactive pulse light. I haven't come across that term before. I've come across an IPL, so I'm really intrigued about that. It has 6 levels, but this is the lovely box that it comes in, and I will show you inside. It's just, you know what, I love the packaging. It's not intimidating at all, and it's very user friendly, I have to say. There's clear instructions all over the box where you could use this, the skin types, gives you key features. It also has a 2-year warranty. And it says here that the RPL, the reactive pulse light technology, SENSILIGHT Pro RPL takes the widely known IPL technology one step further, incorporating unique scents that continuously react to your skin tone and condition. With every single pulse light, once absorbed by the melanin in the hair shaft, the light pulses generate heat in the follicle to disable hair growth at the source. That sounds incredible and so up my alley. I have very thick hair. Throughout my life I was very hairy as a child, so me trying to always find a more painless and easy, convenient way to reduce hair growth, I'm all for. And the reactive pulse light technology sounds like something I've never used before. So I think a lot of misconceptions as well that people have when it comes to at-home beauty treatments, and especially like an IPL or an RPL, is that it's going to be painful. And I can hand on my heart say that it is not painful. Unless you are super sensitive or if you have a medical condition, then this honestly doesn't feel painful. I've had a professional laser hair removal, and that is like the elastic band snapping on your skin sensation. I think that's universally how people described it, and I can say that is how it feels. Now with an IPL device, there's virtually no pain, just a slight warming sensation. So I'm going to test out how this feels against the skin to give you an accurate and honest opinion on how this feels. So here we have the SENSILIGHT Pro. I have to say it feels very light. Now if you have to think, you have to click every time you use this on your body. So having a very heavy device, it's actually going to put strain on your wrists. So this feels very light. I absolutely adore this sleek white and kind of a slight rose gold, but not really, top to it. And it's just, it looks very chic. You also get a spare head to interchange if you want to do more smaller areas, maybe on your top lip, the sides of your face, your belly button, around your belly button, or even your bikini line. So I would recommend keeping that close by. And then the second layer of the box, you have very clear instructions, super simple, and a little bag that you can keep the spare interchangeable head and also your charger. But this is completely wireless to use. You charge it up. I would leave it maybe for an afternoon. If you want to leave it overnight and just kind of forget about it, you can. I haven't experienced overcharging this product, so I don't see any issues with that. And then, yeah, like I said, it's completely wireless. You have these buttons. So you have the on and off button. You have this button right here that if you click, it will give you the ultimate setting for your skin type. And then you have these plus and minuses, which will tell you, which you can press to intensify. So it goes up to 6 stages, or to lessen. So you can really take charge of your experience. So I'm going to switch mine on. Not that noisy at all. It actually has a very nice humming sound. I'm going to click this button here. See, it's moving up, and then it has like this flashing on the side, and you just gotta press it against your skin and it will, oh, it's better to do it this way. Press the button again and it will identify the optimal level. So mine has an optimal setting of 4, and you can see that the noise is switched off. I think that is power saving mode, so you're not wasting energy. And on the back it's green, which means it's ready to go. Most important things you do need to worry about when you're using these kinds of beauty tools is that you've got to make sure you're not wearing any creams or lotions on your skin, and no perfumes. We want fresh, clean skin, and shave prior. I think for best results, have a wash, shower, and straight after you start using this device, and then afterwards you can shave again or use creams. I haven't experienced any irritation whatsoever. It is also recommended to do a patch test on your skin at 24 hours before, just to see if you are irritated to the lights. So you just hold it up, and what I love is that you just click, and then you can see the flashes of light. And I'm not flinching at all. I would say it's just a very warm sensation. I think what maybe startles people is that flash. And then there you go. And because you are using this on clean, dry skin with no creams, lotions, you don't really need to clean this. But if you did, I would just take a microfiber cloth, give it a little bit of a wipe, pack it in your little tote bag, and then it's ready for use the next time. What I love, the feature that I think is just, it's a game changing for me. Like I said, I've got experiencing having a professional laser and at home IPL device, but what makes this stand out is while you're doing areas of large parts of your body, like your legs or your arms, or like your arms, like your forearms up to your, maybe your shoulder, because men can use this as well if you wanted to use it on your back, is that if you hold down this button for 3 seconds while it's pulsating light, you won't need to hold on to it again. It will continually deliver the RPL every 3 seconds in that area until you give it a little click again, and then it will go back into manual mode. Now that is something I haven't seen, and it's another convenience that I think we are all accustomed to now. We want things that are easy, we want things that just fit into our everyday life, and this really has done just that. So having that continuous mode is something I didn't think I needed until it was a part of the feature, and then I was like, yeah, God, who clicks every 3 seconds now? Like, no, we have the continuous mode, so that is really lovely. So this is completely safe to use at home. If you are someone who's never tried a at-home beauty device before, then you're going to have no issues whatsoever. Like I said, the instructions are super user-friendly and it's not intimidating at all to use. It's just basically a point and shoot. Unless you use that continuous mode, then it's literally just a point and glide across your body. Now this does retail for $375, I want to say. So this retails for £379 on the Sensica website, and they have very generously allowed me to share a coupon code. So if you guys are interested in trying this for yourself, then just use the code MONA20 at checkout and you get £100 off, which is crazy. Like, most places will only do maybe £10 to £50, but they are giving you guys a whopping £100 off your very own Sensica Sensilite Pro. And don't forget, ladies, that you can also use this on your face. I just think it's such a game changer to have something that delivers results head to toe. You don't need a separate beauty device. It's effective but gentle to use on your face and the more intimate areas like your bikini line. I'll be sharing more about this over on my blog, so definitely go and check that out, which is at monaseyes.com, for more before and after shots. And if you want more detailed advice, or if you have any questions whatsoever, you can message me over there if you want a little bit more privacy, or DM me on Instagram. It's an investment, yes, but it's that one-time purchase that you need and you have it basically for life. This does come with a 2-year warranty as well, and it's just much cheaper than getting a professional laser treatment that you have to buy in courses. Usually they are 6 to 20 week courses that you have to buy to see kind of any results. With this, I've seen it within 2 weeks. So, and it is recommended that you use this every week or as and when you need it. I think to start off with, if you've never tried an IPL, an RPL, or a laser hair removal, then start using this once a week, and then once you see the results, just pull it back as and when you need. I think for me, what is great about having this purchase is that if you're on any medication, if you're on the contraceptive pill, that does boost your hormones and it produces more hair growth. Same as women who are pregnant and have significant more hair. I know with my sister, after she gave birth, she was just like, I'm just so hairy, I can't keep on top of it. So I've been sharing this around to my family and we've all been making use of this device. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to use that code MONA20 for £100 off. I'm so happy. I'm going to share it with all my family and be like, you guys have been stealing my device, it's now time to get your own. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.